Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke W coming back at you again with a little product update video. I saw my camera sitting there right before I was about to leave and I was like, what the heck? I'm going to throw up a nonchalant, off-the-cuff video for you guys and just let you know what's been going on, keep you updated with everything. So, as I stated in one of my previous videos, my high-ticket item still has that negative review on it, so you can see I haven't really made too many other sales of that one where you see those big orange bars there, but I'm still with my new product that I just launched 2 weeks ago. It's doing consistently 60 to 70 bucks a day in profit. Really happy about that, and it only has 4 reviews at this point, so I'm really working on getting that thing ranked up, and I've actually ordered more units. I'm almost out of my first 100 units of that test batch. So after experiencing, some setbacks with Amazon and learning from certain things, I know how to get products launched more efficiently this time. And I'm really stoked even about my PPC campaigns, guys. They're just off the charts. Usually with lower priced items like what I'm selling at now, $34.99 for this new product, I'm afraid to do PPC because I'm going to lose all my money in ad spend. But you can see here, I'm literally doing like 24-cent bids and it's just making me a whole lot of money and I get to keep that extra profit at the end of the day. So that's great. In other news, with my high ticket item, I just shipped in new units of a product I've never sold before. It's a $200 product. I just shipped them out to the Amazon warehouses yesterday. I have 12 units, gonna go there and just see how those work out. And from there, I'm going to go ship in the rest of the units that I have had to recall at home because I went through that other setback of Amazon shutting a listing down due to me having wording in my listing that made it seem like it was a professional medical device. So if you guys have been watching the channel, you know I go through some ups and downs, but I'm here documenting the journey for you guys and let you know how everything goes. And honestly, it's a little motivational aspect for all this is entrepreneurs, it's what they're going to experience. You're going to hit some obstacles, but when you go through those obstacles, you're just going to become so much stronger on the other side. It's like right now, I'm experiencing problems that I would have never even known how to handle maybe a year or two ago. So it's like as you gain this experience, a level 10 problem to me 2 years ago is like a level 3 problem to me now. And a level 10 problem now for me is going to be like a level 3 or 4 problem in a couple years in the future. So we're constantly growing, and all you got to do is just, get your feet in the game. If you're just sitting on the sidelines watching everyone make this money online, you're not even in the race yet. So at least strap on some shoes, hop in this race, and let's get going and get you guys start making some passive income. So, I'm still waking up with this other product, making sales every day, and it's thanks to my PPC campaigns, I believe, and great bundle that I've made for my products. So all these things I can give you more info about later, but I also want to let you know I made a YouTube video and I've made a YouTube channel for my main high ticket product, and I made this awesome YouTube video that basically compares my top competitor product to the product I have now, which is the same exact one. We buy from the same manufacturer, but I do have some added bonuses and bundled additions in with my product, and I just point that out. And it's funny enough because my high ticket product is not something that's very searched on YouTube, but those people that are searching it are going to be like, wow, oh, who's this? And I just opened up a whole new sales avenue for me there. Not only do I have the Instagram, the Facebook page, the Facebook group, but now I have the YouTube channel, and I'm just expanding that brand out. And in the future, I'm going to create more variations of my similar product and be able to launch them to the followings that I've built on those platforms. So all this stuff is coming around full turn right now, full swing, and I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys and let you know again, if you're just sitting on the sidelines, like, just hop into this, guys. I can't make it much easier for you than all the 350 videos I have on this channel, but I did go and make it easier for you, and literally I created the Amazon Seller Pro course. It's 6 hours long, 65 videos, step by step of everything you need to know to sell on Amazon and create your own private label product brand. That's putting your own logo on a product, buying it from overseas, shipping it from your suppliers. They will ship it into Amazon warehouses, where then Amazon has your product and your listing on their website. All customers have to do at that point is find your listing, click buy now, and Amazon will ship it to them in 2 days. That's how we're able to create a passive income in this business, guys. So not only that, I am actually creating, and I spent three to 4 hours today editing videos and actually updating the Amazon Seller Pro course. So I have about 10 to 15 new videos going to be dropping here pretty soon, and I'm debating on whether I'm going to increase the price of this course because it's been a year since I've created it. I only have 150 students, and the ability for me to reach out and talk to people is still really high. I can still get really one-on-one with people. But, you know, in the future, that's not going to be the case. So if you're serious about this and you want to start making passive income, definitely do this now, sooner than later, because all you're doing is putting yourself in a procrastinative state, and you're just not going to be pulling the trigger that quick like you should be. And that's the way entrepreneurs do need to do things. You have to make a decision and then go with it. And if I want to save you any other time, it's literally, I looked at Shopify, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, just so many other things, real estate. I looked at all this stuff, and even social media influencers, marketers. I realized FBA is the best business model, guys. It's literally you sitting behind your computer, not even having to talk to anyone. I'm only talking to you guys because I want to teach people and become a motivational speaker one day, speaking on stages. But you don't have to do all that. You could sit behind your computer, wake up, sit there in your underpants, and make $500 to $1,000 a day like I was before Amazon took that product down, which is now back. I did get it reinstated. So all these things come full circle. Let me save you the time. Invest in the Amazon Seller Pro course, and I will give you the knowledge to launch your first product on Amazon and get you some sales right in time for Q4, guys. Christmas is coming up. People are going to be going insane, and you're going to be able to ride the wave of Christmas and even into January and February, because when people get all these items, sometimes people are going to make returns of items and then use that money to go buy products on Amazon that they actually want. So the sales cycle just goes full year, full swing, all the way around. And if you're sitting on the sidelines, you can't get it. So that's where I'm at right now. Those are the product updates. And if you want to get started, guys, send me a DM. I have my Instagram, my Facebook, everything right below in the description of this video. And I will hop on a phone call with you tonight in the next 10 minutes. You know, just give me a call anytime. Give me a text. If you're ready to just say, Luke, I don't even want to talk to you, man. I just want to start this thing. My course is going to be right down below as the first link in the description. That's all I got time for tonight. I will see you guys later. Peace out.